Hello guys, welcome to my new video on Claude Code. So in this video, we will be reviewing the new Anthropic tool of Claude Code and see how it is seamless to work with AI on your local system itself with the help of Claude Code, and what are the benefits of using Claude Code, and how easy it is now to create products out of it. So this is the official documentation of Claude Code. And here you can see that Claude Code is an agentic coding tool that read your code bases, edit files, run commands, and integrates with your development tools, and available on your terminal ID, desktop app, and browser. So it is available everywhere. So what we will do is we'll try to install Claude Code on the terminal on my Mac, and then we'll try to create a simple project out of it to show you the power of it. So to natively install Claude Code, there are three options here. One is native install, recommended using the curl command. You can install Claude Code with the help of this. Just copy it and paste it in your terminal. So let me open my terminal, and I have already done it. So Claude is already installed on my system. So I am in a directory, and here just I need to type Claude after that. So as I type Claude, it will open the Claude Code terminal prompt. So this is how it looks like. So initially, when you will be using Cloud Code, it will ask you for the login and all. So if you have a pro account on Cloud, so you can just put your login and you will be able to use that inside Cloud Code directly. So it will give you access to the latest models and even the best models Anthropic release from time to time. Now what we'll try to do is we are in a terminal, and we'll try to create a project out of Cloud Code and see how easy or difficult it is. So let me try to create a snake game with the help of Claude Code. Create a simple snake game project and run the game using Python. Make sure it has all basic snake game features. Okay, just press enter. So it will start thinking and try to create a project. So firstly, it went inside an ls, did some ls inside the Cloud Code directory. Then it thought for a few seconds. So it gave me the code and the file that would be required to create the snake game project. So it showed that you can create a snakegame.py project file, and this is how the file would look like. And good thing is it shows that file exactly in the terminal itself, so you don't need to even open a code editor or something. So do you? So it's asking, do you want to create a snakegame.py app? Yes, yes, all edits during the session, and no. So let me press yes. So it is asking me, do you want to proceed? Yes, I want to proceed. Just make it run. So automatically it got access to my terminal, and now it created the file as well. And the snake game is running. So it shows the snake game is running. Is it? So it got some error while running the project. So what it did, it didn't had some TK inter library, but it showed it can do the same thing using Pygame. So it is rewriting the game with the help of Pygame library instead of TK inter. And we just have to wait and see how it solves the bug automatically. So this is the main benefit of Claude Code. Okay, whenever you are asking it to do some task, and if you face any kind of issue, so it will debug that code on its own, and it will just create tokens out of it, and it will generate the code again. So this basically gave me the revised code. Okay, what was the earlier code, and what was in the red and green part is the new code, and how it will fix the my project. So it gave the entire thing. Now it's asking, do you want to rewrite it? I will say yes, yes for one. So it's rewriting it. It also showed some tips like you can use slash by the way to ask a side question. and this will require command prompt access to run. I will give it the command prompt access. Yes, you are given the command prompt access, and tada, the game is started. So this is how the snake game looks like, and this is like crazy. Like we were able to create a snake game project just with the help of Cloud Code itself, and it was very simple. So Pygame was the library that was used, and we didn't have to worry about anything. We didn't even know anything about Pygame, but Cloud Code was able to create the project. It was able to debug it, and it was able to even run it on its own, given that you have given access to the Cloud Code terminal. So this thing also works very fine with big projects, not just toy projects. And I'm sure ke, Cloud Code is the next revolution in the agentic coding space. And along with this, there are other tools as well. Codex from OpenAI is there, so there is something out from Google as well. So that's it. That's it. So let's try to just make the snake a little bit cooler. So I'll ask it, can you make the snake appear like a dragon? And you can even type, by the way, and ask a side question to it. So, do you think this project will teach me game development? So, this question that I asked with, by the way, will not interrupt the current execution of Cloud Code. And I can just ask it the side question, and it will answer me the side question without interrupting anything. So it gave me the answer as well. Honestly, partially there is a realistic take. What it teaches, game fundamental loops and all everything it gave. Okay, okay, you will get a basic idea of how it works. Yes. So it asked me, okay, can we update the snakegame.py? So bash. So it made the edits to make the snake dragon like, and I will give it the permission. Okay, you are given the permission. So let's wait and see how it does. So it's so cool, right? In the terminal itself, you get a very Git-like environment where it is able to show you what lines of code will be edited and what lines of code will be added to your project, and how much tokens are you inputting from the Claude API. So it made the changes, and it is asking, yes, allow, make the changes. So now update the HUD to overlay, blah blah blah. Update it. Yes, update it. Two lines were added. So everything it does of this update and everything is done with the help of Claude Code itself. So this time I gave it the permission, okay, you can accept everything, just make it run. So you can see that as a developer, I don't have to do anything. Everything is done by Claude Code itself, even the editing part and all. So now it is asking, do you have the access to run it? Yes, yes, you have the access, bro. So just enter. Oh man, this is crazy. It made the theme dragon like. So you can see now the snake is a dragon themed project. So cool, man. Cloud Code is just awesome. I'm loving it already. So cool. So cool. You can press R to restart. So this is the power of Cloud Code, and this is how you can use your Cloud Code in with your any of your software projects to make it better, to work faster, to work with more productivity, and there are more options which we'll explore in the future video. But for this video, I guess I have shared whatever I knew about Cloud Code. Feel free to let me know in the comment section how you guys use Cloud Code, and what is your use case with Cloud Code. So maybe an interesting use case we'll cover up next time. Till then, see you next time, guys. Bye bye. Thank you.